Hello everyone, my name is Anna Hawley. My presentation is on the author and illustrator Todd Parr, who writes children's fiction. Todd Parr was born in Rock Springs, Wyoming on July 9, 1962. Parr grew up in Rock Springs, Wyoming. Todd has always had a love for drawing. Parr struggled with dyslexia throughout school. He was held back in the second grade because he had such a tough time. Later, after Todd graduated high school, he moved away to San Francisco, California in 1995. While living in San Francisco, California, Parr pursued his career as an artist. Todd was inspired to become an author through his art. The author wrote and illustrated his first book in 2001. The book is called It Is Okay to Be Different. Todd Parr says that his past inspires his writing. The author's book, It's Okay to Be Different, received a National Parenting Publications Award. Parr wanted to be inspirational. He knew he struggled in school, and he doesn't want the other kids to feel the same way he did. Todd Parr's The Feelings book was awarded a Gold Oppenheim Toy Portfolio Award for the Best Book Award. This book, of course, is based on feelings. It lets children know that it is okay to show emotions. Don't keep your emotions bundled up inside. You always tell someone. Todd Parr's The Earth book received the Parents' Choice Gold Award. This book teaches children ways they can help take care of the earth. Random and fun facts about Todd Parr. Todd started out writing his books with improper punctuation and spelling, until he realized he was setting a bad example for the children. Parr worked as a flight attendant for 15 years before becoming a children's author and illustrator. The author loves to cook in his spare time. His favorite books, out of all the ones he has written, is It's Okay to Be Different and The Goodbye Book. Todd always writes a letter at the end of each book. He writes and signs it as Love, Todd. Todd Parr had a television show called Todd World. It first aired in 2004 and the last episode aired in 2008. Today, Todd lives in Berkeley, California. He is single and has no children. He lives with his 3 adopted pit bulls, Pete, Left, and Tater Tot. Thank you for listening.